Yo, what's up everyone? It's Jonathan here and welcome back to GENIE-AI, your daily dose of AI awesomeness. Now, we all know 2025 is like peak AI hype, right? Everywhere you look, there's something new popping off. But here's the thing, you don't need to break the bank to actually these tools. Imagine this, AI writing your emails, designing your graphics, even brainstorming ideas, all without spending a dime. Sounds too good to be true? Well, today, I'm proving it's not. We're diving deep into the top 5 free AI tools that are absolute game changers in 2025. Whether you're a student drowning in essays, a creator trying to up your game, or just someone who loves exploring the cutting edge, these tools are about to seriously upgrade your workflow. Stick around to the end for a bonus tip on how to combine these tools for maximum impact. Let's get into it. First up, we're kicking things off with a classic ChatGPT by OpenAI. You've probably heard of it, maybe even used it, but here's the thing. Even in 2025, the free version is still crazy powerful. We're talking writing emails, brainstorming blog post ideas, even tackling those tricky homework questions. Let's say you're stuck on a tagline for your new tech blog, just head over to chat.openai.com, sign up for a free account, and literally type in, give me 5 tagline ideas for a tech blog, boom. Within seconds, ChatGPT hits you with options like Tech Made Simple, Unlocking Tomorrow's Secrets, you name it, and it's not just taglines. Need help drafting a tough email? ChatGPT's got you. Want to outline a whole presentation? ChatGPT's on it. The free tier does have some usage limits, but honestly, for everyday tasks, it's more than enough. The interface is super clean and intuitive. You just type in your request, hit enter, and ChatGPT does its magic. It's like having a conversation with, well, a very smart AI. And the best part? It's constantly learning and improving. Trust me, once you integrate ChatGPT into your workflow, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Alright, moving on to something for all the visual creators out there, Canva AI. Now, Canva's free plan has always been a lifesaver for quick designs, but in 2025, their AI features are on another level. We're talking drag and drop ease, even for the most design-challenged among us. Let's say you need a birthday party poster, right? Instead of spending hours messing around with templates, you just upload a picture you like, or even just type in birthday party poster into Canva AI's magic design tool. And get this, Canva generates a polished, professional-looking layout for you, just like that. You can then tweak the colors, fonts, add your own images, the whole 9 yards. It's perfect for social media posts, presentations, even those custom birthday invites you've always wanted to make. No more staring at a blank canvas wondering where to even start. Canva AI takes all the guesswork out of design. Just head over to canva.com, sign up for a free account, and let the AI do the heavy lifting. It's like having a personal graphic designer in your pocket, ready to whip up stunning visuals whenever you need them. Now, for those of you who need more than just graphic design, let's talk about Photopea. This is a completely free, web-based alternative to Photoshop, and yes, you heard that right, free. And it's not just some watered-down version either. Photopea is packed with powerful tools, including some seriously impressive AI features. Ever needed to remove a background from a photo? You know how tedious that can be. Well, with Photopea, you just upload your image, click on the magic wand tool, and watch as the AI isolates your subject in seconds. It's like magic, but better, because it's free. This is perfect for cleaning up product photos, creating thumbnails for your videos, like this one, or even just having fun with some creative edits. And the best part? No need to download or install anything. Just head over to photopea.com, and you're good to go. It's lightweight, it's fast, and it's got all the essential editing tools you need, plus those AI-powered extras that really take it to the next level. If you've ever wanted to try Photoshop but weren't ready to commit to that price tag, Photopea is the answer. Okay, let's be real, not all of us are natural-born writers, but that's where Grammarly comes in. Even their free version is a game-changer in 2025, making sure your writing is clear, concise, and mistake-free. We're talking emails, essays, social media posts, you name it, Grammarly's got your back. It's like having a personal editor built right into your browser. As you type, Grammarly's AI is hard at work, checking your spelling, grammar, and even suggesting better word choices to really make your writing sing. No more embarrassing typos or awkward sentences. And in 2025, Grammarly's gotten even smarter. The free plan now catches tone and clarity issues, making sure your message comes across exactly how you intended. Now, the free version won't rewrite your sentences for you like the premium version, but for catching those everyday errors and making your writing more polished, it's an absolute must-have. Just install the browser extension or head over to grammarly.com, create a free account and say goodbye to typos and grammatical errors forever. It's like having a safety net for your writing, making sure you always put your best foot forward. And last but definitely not least, we have a bit of a hidden gem: Microsoft Designer. This free AI tool is often overlooked, but trust me, it's a powerhouse for quick, professional-looking designs. Think of it as Canva's cool, slightly more sophisticated cousin. Let's say you need a flyer for a tech event. Just type in "create a sleek tech event flyer" into Microsoft Designer and boom! It generates a bunch of different design options for you, instantly. You can then customize the fonts, colors, layouts, everything, with helpful AI suggestions along the way. It's perfect for those times when you need something visually appealing, but don't have the time or the budget to hire a designer. Microsoft Designer is constantly being updated with new templates and features, and the fact that it's completely free with a Microsoft account makes it a no-brainer for creators on a budget. Just head over to designer.microsoft.com, sign in with your Microsoft account and start exploring. You might be surprised at just how powerful and versatile this free tool really is. So there you have it, guys. 5 incredibly powerful, completely free AI tools that are guaranteed to level up your workflow in 2025 and beyond. ChatGPT for all your writing needs, Canva AI for stunning visuals, Photopea for powerful photo editing, Grammarly for flawless writing, Microsoft Designer for those quick, professional-looking designs. Oh, and here's your bonus tip: don't be afraid to combine these tools. Imagine using ChatGPT to write a script for a video, then taking that script and creating eye-catching visuals in Canva AI, and finally, fine-tuning those visuals in Photopea. The possibilities are literally endless. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of free AI, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on future videos. And let me know in the comments, which of these tools are you most excited to try out? Until next time, keep creating.